Go Slides!
When the elevator opens, the fun will begin, and the journey starts here. Let's have a great evening. Please click that like and subscribe button. Enjoy the show, folks.
We got the bonus! 6 free spins! And a Hold'em spin! Dime to knob, $2.50 a spin. Let's get it, baby! Get your calculator. This could be absurd. Let's count it up. Six more spins. Got some cues. Y'all wouldn't mind, please click that like and subscribe button. I'd love to get to 385 subscribers. Please help a boy out. We got some wilds. Here we are at Harris Casino. Bonus number 2. $7.50 a spin, folks. Dime to knob. High rolling now, baby. $7.50. It's easy to do when you got credits like $817 in the machine. Come on. These are some pretty big balls. Dang. Dang. Heck yeah. Drop it like it's hot, baby. Come on. Come on. Let's tally it out. That's pretty good. Coin show, $210. Over $1,000 in the machine, folks. Bonus number 3. Piggy banking. Get your piggy banking. $5 a spin, folks. Nickel to dime. I have hit a major jackpot on this denom before. $2.50 a spin. Have to check out my videos to see it. I couldn't tell you where it's at, but it's somewhere in the vault. That's it. Alright, let's see. It's not going to be huge. Alright. Bonus number 4. Here we go, folks. Dime to nom, $5 a spin. Woo! Sweet! Oh, it's gonna be a big piggy! This has been an incredible night, folks. I have had some pretty amazing bonuses thus far. Come on, drop the big one. Holy smokes! $250! Dang! Can't go wrong, folks. Wow! Wow! Couple backup spins. Bonus number 5. Texas tea, $1.99, $5 a spin. We've got the bonus. There's $10. I am pretty excited, folks. I've never played a dollar machine that looks like a penny machine, but yet it's a dollar machine. There's $5. Okay. Well, running out of spins, folks. Alright, a couple backup spins. I appreciate y'all watching. I appreciate you guys for watching. Have a good night.